Hey y'all, so today I'm going to show you how to get your hair from this to these beautiful, chunky, bulky, juicy mini twists. Now you can achieve this with any hair texture and with any hair density. It's all about the technique, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that in today's video. So stay tuned and keep watching. And of course, these are true mini twists. I can't wait to show you. Hey Z-Stars, what's good, honey? It's your girl Zara, popularly and lovingly known as EfikZara, and I'm back, of course, with another video. So today I'm showing you how to get these bulky mini twists. We already showed you guys how to get my bulky twists, which I'm going to link in the top right corner for your viewing pleasure. Check it out after this video. And I know that everyone is a huge fan of mini twists, but a lot of people may have issues with the final outcome because there's not much volume. Now, there's nothing wrong with embracing your hair, which one of my lovely subscribers and a fellow YouTuber reminded me of in the comment section of the previous video. But if you do feel like you need a bit more volume, you just want to have a bit more fun, you want to experiment with your hair, then it's totally fine to do something like this, you know? That's the beauty of our hair. It's really versatile. It is capable of so many things that are fully within reason. So of course, before we get into the video, I'm going to ask you to do the few simple things I always ask you to do. Thumbs up, let you know you enjoy this type of content. Comment down below, let me know what types of videos you'd like to see from me. Share this with your friends and your loved ones. And last but never ever can be least, subscribe and turn on your notifications so you know every time I post a new video. And of course, watch the ads all the way through so your girl can keep this channel sustainable and get paid. Thank you, love you. So let's get right into the video. Now, of course, this video is brought to you by our lovely sponsor, me. Because, I mean, if I don't shout myself out, who's finna do it for me, period? But on a more serious note, everything that I do to my hair, every time you guys feel my hair is growing or thriving, becoming fuller, denser, it's because of the very strategic way in which I care for it. And all of those techniques can be found in my hair care bundle. From my recipe Bible, which is all my DIYs that have helped me to maintain and allow my hair to thrive, to my Holy Grail, which contains all my favorite store-bought products, my calendars, which help me keep a really streamlined regimen, my scalp compendium, which contains everything, over 160,000 words of everything that I've learned about caring for the scalp and how essential it is for having an incredible hair growth journey, to my planner, and the other products in my hair care bundle. If you have this in your arsenal, there's nothing else you will need to learn about your hair. It's literally a crash course in how to have the best hair of your life. It's linked in the top right corner, of course, and it's going for a staggering discount of 35% off. Now, of course, the recipe Bible is included, which is my bestseller. I've sold more than 5,000 copies, so thank you all so much for supporting me and for giving me such beautiful feedback. It's really incredible that you all love what I've put out as much as I do. And in some cases, maybe even a bit more. So not only am I grateful to you all, but I'm really grateful to the Lord, my God, giving me this gift and giving me the opportunity to share these things with all of you. So of course, if you want your hair to continue to thrive, or if you're stagnant and you need it to start thriving, if you want to level up, if you want to just switch up your routine because you feel like things could improve for you in a very significant way, then look no further than my hair care bundle. It has every single thing that you need in order to thrive on your hair care journey. Don't take my word for it. Purchase it and see for yourself. Again, it's going to be linked in the top right corner, so be sure to check it out. Here are some reviews from customers who've purchased my digital products. Please pause to read. Hey y'all, so let's get into it. As you can see, I'm starting on very moisturized hair. And if you all would like a video on my moisturizing routine, then please drop some red emojis in the comment section down below. Drop them like it's hot. Feel free to comment multiple times, actually. I like to have my hair in large twists when I'm washing, when I'm detangling, when I'm moisturizing. It just makes my life a lot more streamlined. And of course, when I'm styling, it makes everything a lot easier. Now, my hair was moisturized the day before, and that just softens it up because it takes time for product to seep into my hair strands. But as you can see, I'm just taking down one of the twists
And I'm just parting the hair wherever it wants to part, being mindful, of course, to ensure that I'm parting really small parts. Now, of course, these are mini twists, not micro twists, so the parts are not that small, but they are fairly small. As you can see, I'm just twisting down to the end, and of course, I'm using my trusty Westy pomade. Now, funnily enough, a lot of people have been making inquiries about this, and I have sold it to a few people. So if you want me to make this for you, then please hit me up. I'm going to put my email in the description box, and I will make it widely available very, very soon. So stay tuned, and you can sign up for my mailing list if you want access to that when it's widely available. Now here I am starting another twist. Of course, my hair is already moisturized, so I'm not applying any more product. I'm only applying my pomade to the ends to not only elongate and stretch my ends, but to ensure that they stay really sealed, really moisturized, and to stave off breakage and splits. Now, as you can see, as I'm twisting, I'm not really doing it tightly at all. These twists are very easygoing, very easy breezy, and that's the major aspect of this technique. Now again, if you follow me, you've already seen my bulky twist video, which uses the same technique. Now here I am moving on to another section, of course, because why not, y'all? We have to get it done, don't we? And I'm just using the same technique, twisting very loosely, but keeping it consistent and using my pomade at the ends. Now here we are working on the back section, and as you can see, my hair is thriving, period. Now, some people might ask me why my hair is so thick and so luxurious. Well, that's because I use all of the ingredients, all of the recipes in my recipe Bible, and I follow my calendar regimen. My hair care routine is really, really simple and really organized because I follow my calendar and I utilize my recipe Bible. Now, if you want access to those two publications, they're going to be linked in the description box and in the top right corner, of course. But if you want access to all my publications for 35% off, then you absolutely have to get your hands on my bundle, which has everything in it, including my calendar, my planner, my recipe Bible, my Holy Grail, my scalp compendium, and etc., etc., etc. Now, in case you're curious, the music in this particular section is actually one of my own works. It's called Broslands, and I wrote it when I was like 19, y'all. That was a long time ago. So I was literally a teenager then. Still an adult technically, but still a teen. Anyway, as you can see, I'm just repeating this process all over my head. Now, if my hair does feel like it could be smoothed down a bit, I am applying one of my favorite butters, which is from a certain brand, which I'm not going to name. You guys just pick up my Holy Grail, linked in the top right corner, of course, because these brands ain't getting no free promo from me, period. And of course, my pomade is doing the work of the Lord and smoothing down my hair. Really beautiful. It's easily more potent than any grease that I've ever made use of. And you guys know how much I love hair grease. You know how much I love and adore hair grease. So of course, like I said, if you want access to it early, then please send me an email, support@EfikZara.com. One of our staff will definitely be in touch with you and let you know how you can get your hands on it. It's gonna be easier if you're in Nigeria because that's where I am right now. But if you're in the States, I'll figure out some shipping options, and I might even ask my dad to help me out or something. We'll see how it goes, y'all. So here's the finished product. As you can see, because of the twisting method, this is super bulky, super full, and it gives the illusion of more volume. Now, yes, y'all are gonna say, girl, but your hair is dense and it has a lot of volume. It does. But this makes it look like it has more volume. And even if your hair doesn't have volume, you can look like you have fairly dense hair by using this technique. Of course, if you want more volume, just lighten up your hand and make the twist even looser. Now, the benefits of making the twist even looser are also that you will avoid torsion, because when you're twisting your hair tightly or bending it tightly, you're creating more opportunities for the hair to break and split later on. Anywho, Zima Bobber, let's move on to the next part of this video.
Okay, fantastic. We've made it this far. We've finished. Do you guys like the outcome? Are you going to do it? If you are going to try this hairstyle, please drop some purple emojis in the comment section down below. And of course, if you made it this far, drop some blue emojis in the comment section down below, so I know that you're a real one. I'll see you in the next video. I love you forever. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, subscribe, share, comment, thumbs up, and ta-ta for now.